major rainstorm. Monsoon-like rain.
Oh, this guy's stuck in the rain. That sucks.
Yep. Biker. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's just pouring so bad. We're downtown right now. Wow, this is insane. I bet we're getting flash flooding. Saturday, July 20th, 2019. Oh my God.
Sit here and wait a few minutes, okay?
Yep. This is freaking insane. Is this some of the worst rain you've ever seen?
Yeah, it's pretty severe.
Man, this is going to cause some flooding, I'm sure. Literally for about 15 to 20 seconds, I kept it open, and look at how much water came out.
Oh my God.
Wow, this is insane, man. This is almost like hurricane type of rain, isn't it?
It's just terrible.
It's almost like hurricane. It's like a hurricane force. This is insane. This is as close as it gets to a Colorado hurricane. Wow. Oh my God, this is insane. Wow. Heavy, heavy rain here. Sorry, I don't know why my teeth did that. That was annoying. Look at this rain, it's still going. Oh, I thought it was dying down. It's getting even a little worse. Oh my God. I wonder what the streets look like now. This is insane. Mama, can't you believe this?
Yeah, it's just terrible.
Whoa! That lightning was crazy. It's really close to us, too. We got some close lightnings, too, earlier, too, before I started recording. What's your thoughts, Mom? It's still going strong. Isn't this insane?
Yeah, it's bad.
I think it's getting worse.
I think we're about to get. Let's look at the radar.
It's hailing.
Yeah.
Oh, hail. Here it goes, Mama, hail. Oh, man. Hail. Oh, crap. It's getting big, Mom.
That's what we're at right now. Watch. Nyla, look.
Oh, man.
Are you hungry? You want your cheese and crackers yet?
Not yet.
What a time to eat, huh?
We were just going to work, too.
Well, we will.
We're right in the storm, aren't we?
We just gotta wait a little while.
Holy smokes. Another lightning. This is crazy. Hailing. Oh my God. July 20th, 2019. More hail's hitting the vehicle. Hear that hail? Oh my God! Bro! This is crazy! This is one of the worst storms I've ever seen downtown. We're in downtown Denver, Colorado right now. because hear that hail? Oh my god, I hope this car is okay. I'm sure it is. Hear that? I'm making a video, as you probably know. 10 minutes into it. It's fine, Mama. No worries. You don't need an apology. Wow. Hear that?
Yeah, wow. It's right over us.
That lightning was right over us. More hail.
Oh God, there's purple over Castle, next to Castle Rock.
Oh boy, Castle Rock's probably gonna get a twister. It's probably like a twister in Castle Rock, Colorado right now. I totally do not expect the storm to be that bad. Oh my god. Thank God we're not driving right now. It keeps dying down, but it keeps getting worse. I mean, it keeps coming back and then not really getting worse. How long is the storm gonna be? Oh my god. I need to get to work, man. This is insane. I haven't seen anything like this at least all summer.
It's going to be a little while, but we're still. Hold on a minute. It might start dying down here in a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, never mind. I was looking at the wrong spot. No. Yes, it's going to be here for a few. Are you hungry? You're not hungry.
Oh, no, I'm not.
I might as well eat my lunch.
Oh, my God. More hail. Look at the car hood. I don't know how well you guys can see it. Hail on it. See? Whoa! This, I think, is the worst Denver hailstorm I've ever seen. One of them. I don't know if it's necessarily the worst, but this is up there, man. Is the hail getting larger? Look at all this hail. Oh my god, still hailing. Can you believe this, Mom? Whoa! Ah. I think that will have some lightning interruption.
Wow.
I'm so glad I got that on camera. Catching all this on camera. Holy smokes, Mom. Holy smokes. I don't know if I've seen anything like this in a long time. Wow. Oh, July 20th, 2019, people. We're getting pelted. Absolutely pelted. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this, to be honest with you guys. Look at all this hail that's falling. Hail's out of control right now. Can you believe this weather, Mom? Oh my God, we're right in the storm today. Today is like a storm chasing day.
That's right, we're right in the middle of it all.
Oh my God, this is some seriously good footage. I might break it to a couple parts though, because it's a long one. I might or might not. At least tonight it'll be nice and cool at night. It should be.
Yeah.
Especially because after all a storm like this, it's gonna cool down. Look at this flooding. Look at the water puddles coming, guys. Water puddles. Oh yeah, the water puddles are really starting.
Get out of the crab?
Yeah, but I'd do it a little later when the weather isn't as bad. It's still hailing, I think.
No, I mean, how big is the water puddle?
It's kind of big. Oh, crap. Still hailing a little bit. Look at all this water on me. Literally for 10 seconds I even got water on my phone too.
Oh, be careful.
I know. Oh, and it's coming back again. It's coming back again. Here goes more hail. Have you seen this much hail in a long time? Look at this. It's worsening, I think. It's even worsening. Oh, that was a pretty big piece of hail. Today probably is a good work day. I wonder if the rest of the week, this coming week, is going to be like that. Sometimes that happens. After a storm like this, we get another storm like this soon.
the storm is moving away from us.
Okay. That was bad. Guys, looks like the storm's weakening a bit, so I'll see you guys in my next video.